All right, hello. So a quick video. Been getting questions about the replays to the AI workshop. So as we mentioned, purchase before May 5th. You will get the replays for May 5th, which will be completed probably towards the end of May or early June, because we have these ones. It's not a Zoom. It's a professionally produced replay that will be put up. However, instead of waiting till June, we're giving you a 2 for 1. So we're going to also give you the February 23 AI workshop info, which again is extremely valuable. May is just going to be an update, and we've added a certification. Darby's added a certification, so we've got a much more structured process. And there's homework in May. So if we come back here, this is what the members area look like. The homework will be in here, and the maze training videos will, once they're done, will be on top of here. And there's some bonus training. Chasen did a little quick content upgrade here. He's going to go much more in depth. He's going to be in person on May 5th. So here we have about 2.5 hours before lunch. We go through everything you need to get started. Darby breaks down the process, the tools using ChatGPT, which is the fallback that we use for Jasper.ai. We've also given you a free trial and 10,000 words to that. And we also have a lot of what Darby works off in this training is based off of here. So there's a lot of recipes in here that are provided to you. So this is basically done for you. So you don't have to do all the technical engineering. And the reason that we're using Jasper.ai is because you have to have a programming and technical mind to use ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is good for some things, but if you're not technical or you don't have a lot of time, Jasper strips probably 75% of that having to know how to use the perfect prompt out because the way they structured the tool. And then Darby breaks that down. So you don't have to be a prompt expert or engineer to use Jasper. This document here is being updated regularly. Great resources, great topics based on what we talk about in the training. So then when you come back here, we go to part 2 after lunch. This is another about 2.5 hours. This is really where we dive into it. Darby creates some, you watch him create some recipes, he answers questions and walks through the types of content to create to send to your pipeline and your sphere. And using the double tap process, it guarantees if you follow this process and you set up 12 months of follow up content and put it into your CRM, you are guaranteed to have more conversations from your pipeline and from your sphere. And what oftentimes happens is there's individuals, leads that'll be in your pipeline or even your sphere that never talk to you, but they send you business because of the value of what they get and what you're sharing with them. We're going to walk through exactly what that value is and how to send it. And there's actually, you'll hear the collaboration in the room of the attendees and different ideas and structures and strategies they're doing, so you can take that and put that into yours. But by the time you leave and you're done just in February, you're going to be the AI expert compared to most other agents. You're going to understand how it works. Now, when we come back to the replays for May, there will be massive difference. So you'll have more information. So again, the replays go up $200 after May 5th. Right now, you're getting a 2 for 1. So you're not going to pay $3.99 and just sit around. You're going to get February's workshop that you can start with, and the homework for May's workshop. But you can dive in and get started. Then when we drop May in here, we'll go. Now, if you attend live, you're going to get a way better experience. Number one, because you're in the room, you'll get the hands-on help. You'll be part of that collaboration that the replay viewers will be watching. But there's only probably a dozen left in person. We're only having 25 total right now. I think at this time is about a dozen left. So, but there's nothing like being in the room and that energy and what's shared in that room. So you definitely, if you can get there, get there. And we do have you buy at regular price, you can bring a friend. So it's basically buy one, get one free. And here's some additional resources that are also provided um, for replayers. So as well as anyone that comes live, you also get access to this exact same portal. Except when you're live, you just have the better experience. So this is what we're looking at. Hope this was helpful. This is what you get access to immediately once you hop on. Got a couple questions being asked about that, and again, we provide you with all the tools and the knowledge and everything that you need to be successful with follow up, creating content, etc. We do not do a course that you have to upgrade later to get this next thing. This is all inclusive. You never have to talk to us again with our trainings. That's how we set our trainings up. Now, if you want support, etc. Oh, that's the other thing too. You get after this, you'll get in 30 days. You'll get a 30-day follow-up group just to kind of get updates and ask any minor questions. But everything's pretty much laid out in here. But this workshop includes everything you need, so you don't have to worry about is it going to be enough, etc. All right, hope this helps you guys. Look forward to seeing you at the event. If you're not able to make an event, hop on, tell a friend. This is career-changing information, just like we mentioned. So now we've pretty much got the brokerage in the box. You've got how to generate leads in any market. Follow the process. It's guaranteed to work. It can't not work unless you don't work it. That's New Construction Marketing Mastery, our flagship program, or New Construction Buyer Attraction Playbook. Both of those show you how to generate the leads. Agents are horrible at follow-up and nurturing leads. Now we've covered that. Using artificial intelligence, it makes it 80% faster. We've been doing this for years, but now we can do it, and we can show you guys how to do it without the huge time investment and expense that it took previously, which is awesome. So now you can follow up and nurture these leads, get them sending you additional sales, get them sending you referrals, and having more conversations, because you're guaranteed, if you follow this process that we show you here, it's guaranteed you're going to have more conversations with your sphere and pipeline, unless you only have one person in your sphere pipeline. And if that's the case, we need to work on getting you some leads. All right, hope this was helpful.